Why equal pay for equal work isn't always enough for pay equity. Imagine two workers doing the same job, earning the same wages, yet one still faces pay gaps. That's because equal pay for equal work is just part of the story. It sounds fair, but it doesn't always tell the full picture of fairness in pay. The law says that employees doing the same or very similar jobs should get the same wages. But what counts as similar work? Usually, it's jobs that requiring the same skills, effort, and responsibility, and are done under similar conditions. If two people have different titles but perform the same duties, they should be paid equally. Still, many pay gaps happen when jobs are labeled differently, even if the work is comparable. Plus, laws allow employers to pay differently based on legitimate reasons. These include seniority, performance, education, or experience. If someone has worked longer or has more training, they might earn more. But these reasons can sometimes hide discrimination or unfair practices if not applied carefully and transparently. Another issue is that equal pay for the same work doesn't fix broader problems. For example, certain groups might be overrepresented in lower-paying jobs or industries. Women, minorities, or other protected groups may face barriers that keep them from reaching higher-paying roles. Pay gaps also come from differences in opportunities to negotiate, get promotions, or access training. So even if wages are equal for one job, overall pay disparities can still exist across a company or industry. Some laws restrict pay comparisons to within the same workplace or location. This limits claims when workers do similar work at different sites. But recent legal changes are expanding protections to cover similar work across multiple locations or industries. These updates aim to close gaps that used to be ignored. From a legal point of view, just enforcing equal pay for equal work isn't enough. Employers need to look at the bigger picture. They should examine their pay structures, promotion policies, and hiring practices. Conducting pay equity audits helps identify disparities beyond just comparing wages for identical jobs. These audits analyze pay differences across job types, consider legitimate business reasons, and check for biases in decision-making. It's also important for employers to follow laws that prohibit using previous salaries to set current pay. Relying on past wages can carry forward existing inequalities. Employers should be transparent about how they determine pay and ensure fairness at every level. In the end, achieving true pay equity means going beyond just equal pay for equal work. It involves understanding and fixing the many factors that influence how much people earn. Only then can organizations truly create fair and equitable workplaces for everyone.